It was over 90 degrees the first week of October in California. So I made my favorite smoothie. It's definitely like a summer recipe, so just save it for next summer. This is like my matcha mango smoothie, but I also call it a power green smoothie because it's just packed with antioxidants as well as caffeine from the matcha. I don't blend my fruits often, especially something really sugary like mangoes, because breaking down the fiber like this does make the sugar enter our system at a much faster rate. So to offset this, when I do want to enjoy a smoothie like this, I do two things. I add fiber and fat and protein to the smoothie to help slow down how quickly the sugar is released into the bloodstream. And as of recently, I started walking on my walking pad after having something like this to also prevent blood sugar spikes. I also will go outside and take a walk or do some housework and just move around and stay active so that sugar is being put to use by my muscles. By the way, I usually add a little collagen to this recipe. I ran out and then my husband came home with it immediately after I finished recording. So here's the recipe and thank me later. Love you.